KIMI app now is K2, so here you have it. Meet KIMI K2 open source built for complex tasks. Beyond just coding, bringing ideas to life. KIMI research beyond reports, data analysis, visualize everything, 50 docs at a time, but visualize them. A real-time search with trusted sources, your sidekick for productivity. Up to 200,000 words in a single conversation, analyze 50 files, web search across 100 plus sites, code generation and debugging. So this is just what you have. This is the app from Moonshot AI. It's quite high in the charts right now. It's not that well known overall. This is your AI. If long duration, deeply detailed autonomous work is your need, this is your AI. So this is the app, not to create your to-do shopping list, what to say, but more for advanced tasks. You can see search thinking. You can select flagship model K2. I don't know whether this is, maybe this is some Chinese model, or I don't know, K2. Which one model is that? 80s, and then you just link your phone number, and then you can just send messages. You see in here, you see chat history. I don't know why it's populating for me, but yeah, seems this is some kind of Chinese model. And account security, you can always kind of go to your profile and link to your WeChat, also delete your account, and then just, as you can see, it's glitchy, to be honest. As you can see, it keeps creating these chats, and then why it's doing that, so it's quite buggy. But then yeah, you can just attach photos, files, audio files, and it's kind of another version for DeepSeek or something like that. So that's the idea.